This is a DDAmanda video on Direct Digital Holdings Inc. Symbol DRCT here on the NASDAQ. And wow, there's some interesting stuff happened here today. Look at this. 995, 94 factor, up 900%. I closed at 55 yesterday at a 200-day low right here. And closed today at a 10-bagger, 550 exactly. Wow. Okay, now this one's really interesting. I was trying to figure out what happened here, and as far as picking this up on a scan, there really wasn't anything except for a continuing 200-day low. Now every day this would have been a 200-day low, okay, until it got down to 50, or the 50 area, 50 cent area, where you could expect a bounce. However, this was not because of a simple bounce off of 50. So if we go over here and push the news button on DDAmanda, we come to OTC markets and news. And what do we read here? Whoops. So look at this stuff. Well, number one, today there's a little item here, direct digital spikes to a high volume move. However, look what happened before here. You got these attorneys that started on 12/11, and this could have been the reason for the drop. Initiates an investigation and allegations against directional holdings and encourages shareholders to reach out. Now, what this is a trick that George Sharp used to use. I don't know if he still does or not. But what you do is you get this law firm, right? And you get them to file a suit. And this is funny as hell. Concerns whether digital and certain officers, directors have engaged in corporate wrongdoing. Oh my God, wrongdoing. So, like I said, this one's on. They kept coming out with it. This one's on 12/18, but they started. When did they start? Shoot, I was just there. Let's push the news button again. They started this crap on 12/11 here, and 4 days later they come again 12/15, 12/18, 12/22. That was yesterday. And I guess what happened is, now if we go back to DDAmanda 12/11, shoot. Oh, I gotta close this tab. Okay, so now here we are at 12/11 in DDAmanda. So she was at $1. She was going up. Well, she was actually going down, and then she bounced off of $1.95 here. And so they come out with this crap, and this thing goes down, down, down. I think what happened was these shorts were getting themselves overexposed, okay? And some guys clocked in on that, and they started buying it. And they bought the shit out of it and forced these shorts to cover, okay? Let's look at the daily, what happened here. Just click on this chart. So she starts off opens at 60, which is, 5 cents higher than the 200-day low before. And she just starts moving up. Boom, 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 boom. Because of these shorts are getting fried here, alright? Because of this bogus lawsuit. Anyway, I thought that was pretty interesting, and I thought you guys would get a kick out of it. So this is what happens when you get bogus lawsuits, and guys get sick of it, and some heavy players come in and start buying it and making these shorts cover, right? This is a short squeeze right here. They just squeezed the living crap out of these guys. I love it. Now here's another cool thing that we just added. Let's see what AI has to say about this. So all you do is you push this AI button here, and it brings up Grok, Twitter Grok, okay? At that point, all you have to do here is paste. So I'm just going to hit Control V and then hit Enter, and it asks this question here, okay? But it's all automatic. So all you do is paste and, hit Enter. So here we go. Sentiment summary. It summarizes this. So positive 83%, negative 17%. And then it gets into recent significant gain in stock price. Experienced a significant price. Here's a few posts that talk about it, okay? So here you got your posts to those saying it'll fall after hours. Look at chart, the next day it'll hit $12. So, and another guy saying 208. This must have been earlier in the morning. Posts mentioning DRCT. Let's see if I can get up here a little bit. Whoa. I guess I gotta change this. Hang on. There we go. So, some more posts mentioning DRCT. And look at this. The sentiment and analysis indicates a predominantly positive outlook with a focus on the recent bullish trend. However, there's also mention of potential volatility and short interest. Da, 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 da. So there you go. That's what caused this short thing. This short squeeze. Anyway, this is the AI that we just added. It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's it on that. As far as picking this up, you know, in DDAmanda, like I said, these were all 200-day low alerts here. Anywhere, you know, 83. This would have been red, 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 red. So if you would have noticed this and maybe clocked into it, you probably could have maybe got an entry here in the 50-60% range. But it was tricky, you know. But, you know, 4 lawsuits in a row, I mean, the announcements 4 times in a row, that reeks of desperation, right? So anyway, for maybe an experienced player, this would have been a good play. But, you know, this is more or less a chance, not a lotto exactly, but you would have had to have some insight and some balls to buy this here. Because who knows? But on the other hand, look at this, okay? So they haven't had any changes in their share structure, but look where she's coming from. I mean, we're going back to, like here, this is June, she's at $5, right? And, you know, just does a general decline here, $4, $3. She did have a real high factor here on 612, 96 factor, which she traded, you know, $46 million. So I don't know, you know, this one, this is kind of a special case. But this is what happens when, you know, the shorts overplay their hand, especially with this 4 times that they, you know, announced this lawsuit. Where is it? Well, we already went over this, but I just thought I'd show you again here. Yeah, and they went too far. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I thought you'd get a kick out of this, and this is DDAmanda Live right here. It's not like a screenshot like I do before. Anyway, we are having a Christmas special, so if you guys want to try out DDAmanda, now's a good time. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and onward and upward, baby. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.